puppy. What is that strange thing? I don't know. Yeah. What are you going to do today? Tell me what you're going to do today. Really? What else? What else? Hey? Hey? Huh? You're going to do that too? Really? Yeah. Wow. That's exciting, isn't it? Yeah. It's exciting. Ooh. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? What? What's that? What's that? Oh, you're going to go running. Okay. Is that on the common, Wimbledon? Is it? You go shopping? Yeah? Huh? You're going to drink some milk today maybe as well? Huh? Oh, bless you. There's Nan and Grandad at the door.